For my base, I'm using the Detail Cosmetics Fresh Filter in the shade Macadamia, and I really love this one, guys, because it works so well with my neutral undertones. Then I take my super thin brush to blend everything out. Next, to get that second skin finish, I'm using my puff, spritz it with this MAC setting spray to press everything in. This technique locks in the foundation and gives a really smooth and long-lasting finish. For my eyes, I'm keeping it soft and natural, so I'm using this Focalure Vintage Charm palette and taking the shade Soft Brown. For my eyeliner, I'm skipping black and using the darker shade from the Hamish Stylism Nude Coral palette using a small angled brush to softly define my lash line. This gives a subtle definition without looking too harsh. Then, I'm using the same shade and brush to lightly blend it along my lower lash line. This helps balance out the eyes and gives that soft, effortless look. Next, for my brows, I'm using my favorite Focalure brow gel in the shade 003, just brushing it through to give them a natural, fluffy look. So to sculpt my face, I'm using this contour stick from Focalure in the shade BR02, and I'm applying it under my cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. I'm blending it out with a brush to make sure there are no harsh lines. I'm also adding a little on the sides of my nose to softly sculpt. Now to set my face, I'm using the Focalure Oil Control Loose Powder in the shade 02. This one keeps everything in place while keeping the skin looking natural. For my blush, I'm using the ABCD Serum Blush in the shade Peach Blossom. I'm just tapping it onto my cheeks for a soft flush. So to brighten my under eyes, I'm using the same powder and lightly pressing it in. Now I'm curling my lashes with Nishido Curler. I bought this on Watson's and it gives a really nice lift. Then I'm applying this Maybelline Firework Mascara in the shade Black. I love this one, guys, because it gives so much volume. Using a fluffy brush to dust off any excess powder. For my lower lashes, I'm using the Focalure Pro Length Mascara. This one has a thin one to separate and define them without clumping. Going back in with the darkest brown shade to softly define my lower lash line again. Since I'm so extra, I'll be adding a little bit of this Pink Flash Water Blush in the shade NU01. So to warm up my face, I'm adding this bronzer from Focalure in the shade SO01. I love using neutral bronzers because they don't look too orange or muddy on my skin. To set everything in place, I'm using this Focalure Time Sanrio Matte Setting Powder in the shade CL02. Just gently pressing it to my skin to control shine while still keeping that soft, natural finish. Now Now I'm just wiping off my lip balm so my lips are prepped and ready for lipstick. Anyway guys, I got some new lippies from Pinkflash and I'm so excited to try them. This is their 12-hour Lock Matte Lip Collection and I have 4 shades here. Now let's do a quick swatch and a kiss-proof test. For today's look, I'm mixing NU02 and NU03 to get that perfect soft nude. This combo is so nice for neutral undertones because it's right in between warm and cool, making it super flattering. And here's the final look. So let me know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye!